Hello friends, how are you all? Previous section we have learned about thread pool. In this section we have learned about countdown latches. In multithreading, countdown latches are basically used for that task will be waiting for other thread before it start. To understand the application, let us consider one service where it will be main task that can be start when requires services will be started. When we use the create a object of countdown latch, we specify the number of threads. It should wait for all such threads are required to be countdown. By calling countdown latch dot countdown method, once they are completed, ready to do the jobs as well as count reaches 0, this will be waiting task will be start running. For more understanding, we have go into the Eclipse and start the code. So that we have created one package like com dot countdown latch. There will be some typo mistake. So it's a different case. It will be showing the error like that. You can like that. Then we have to write 2 like that. Then it will be created. Here we have create one class basically. This class name will be app class. Inside app class we have main method, and outside the app class we have creating another class like class processor implements runnable interface. Runnable interface override run method. Inside the run method we have write a logic like we have to write some logic like we have print out the start the thread, and then we have print like we have setting time by using threads method sleep thread dot sleep, and we have setting time like 3000 milliseconds, means 3 seconds. It will be thrown an exception and we can handle with try catch block. Okay, then we have to create a countdown latch. Then we have to create one variable like countdown, latch, and then we have to create a constructor for that. Okay guys, then we have to call down latch method for countdown. Mean we have to configure latch dot countdown inside the run method. Countdown means it will be countdowning down. We have giving some we have creating main method, then we have to giving some variable like 3 2 1. It will be countdowning 3 2 1, and then it will be thread will be started. Then inside that main method we have creating object of countdown, and we have to giving like 3, and we have giving meaningful name like latch only. Then we have to create one executor service. Executor dot new fixed. Uh, before video we have learned about executor service. Then don't worry about that. You can no, don't about that. Then please watch my previous video. We have creating variable reference executor. Here we have giving 3 threads, means 3 workers we have to push. Then we have to using for loop. We have giving 3 tasks for them. Then we have to print like inside that method we don't have print anything. We have to go, start the thread. So we have to write like executor dot submit. Submit it will be there, and it will be argument enable task. Then we have to pass like processor, and it will be argument like we have giving latch, means 3 latch will be there now. Then we have given to 3 latch, and it will be semicolon will be completed. Then it will be we have to pass like latch dot await method for waiting stage dot await. It will be throw an exception. Then we can try handle with try class block. Okay guys, then we have to for printing some message we have to printing like system.out.println all completed. Okay guys, then we have to format this code by using Ctrl+Shift+F. Then I will explain this code to you. Basically we have creating one variable of latch, countdown latch. Then we have creating constructor for that. Then we have create one implement runnable interface. Then it will be override run method. Inside run method we have stop creating one thread and stop sleeping at 3000 milliseconds, means 3 seconds. After that we have creating some executor service, and we have give argument like 3, means 3 tasks will be 3 tasks will be divided by 3, with 3 scheduler thread will be completed 3 tasks like that. Then it will be processing and it will be completed the task. Then we have to understand the logic of the latch, countdown latch. The latch it will be the specified number of threads. It will be wait for such thread are required to be count down. By calling countdown latch, once they are completed, ready to job, as well as count reached to 0, it will be waiting to task. The waiting task start running, means it will be that 0. Then it will be waiting task will be start running. This is basically understanding of this countdown latch. Then we have to run this code. After running, you can see that 3 thread will be running, and then all threads will be completed. Means here will be what happening. It will be count down like 3, 2, 1, and then it will be main thread will be running. Means it will be going to the waiting stage, and then main thread will be running. Firstly, main thread will be not running. Firstly, all threads will be completed. Then all it will be running. Then we have to giving 4 like that. Then 4 threads will be running. See guys. There will be some we have to pass like 4 here also and 4 here also. Then it will be giving proper output. See guys, 4 thread will be running, then main thread will be running like lastly. This is the process of the countdown latch, basically. I hope you understand the processing of the countdown latch. In next tutorial, we have learned about producer and consumer example in multithreading. It is very important interview question, producer and consumer of multithreading. We have learned about in that next tutorial. I hope you understand these concepts. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. You are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you. Bye.